The point I was making, Mr. Speaker, very important, that the party leader should listen very carefully. I have seen even the Jubilee Party, and it is good the Vice Chair is here, David Morathe. They are not going to field a candidate in Bonjari. They want to support a candidate of ODM who is facing corruption allegations. Why are we reducing the party? Why are we reducing the party? Mr. Speaker, can I finish? I said allegations. I didn't say, and it is a fact. It's a fact.
Order, Senator Cherargei.
Can I finish?
Order.
Oh.
Why are you contradicting yourself? You're saying it's as allegations and you're saying it's a fact. The two cannot be in one statement.
No, I say,
so,
Mr. Speaker.
So please don't make wild allegations, please.
No, Mr. Speaker, I'm saying it is a fact.
What? James Orengo, just a minute.
Mr. Speaker, I am standing on this point of order because Senator Cherargei...
Take your seat, Senator Cherargei.
Senator Cherargei is a lawyer, and we believe in constitutionalism. And if there was no rule of law entirely in this country, there are so many senators and members of parliament who are facing charges in court. But because of the Constitution, you cannot, nobody can kick you out of this house. So a member should not be in order to malign others on the basis of allegations. Because who has got a more serious reputational challenge? Is this the one who has allegations made against them, or one who is already charged in court? And therefore, I am appealing to him that let us respect the Constitution. And that is why even a member of parliament, even after you've been convicted, and until an appeal is exhausted, the law protects you. And if a member of parliament and a lawyer, a senator who wants to be a governor, can misconstrue the law and allege that... and particularly when in the gallery there's a vice president and a senior counsel, I think you need to go to Senator Wako, take a few tutorials. So the next time you open your mouth, you know what exactly to say. But actually, Mr. Speaker, what worries me, there are a lot of people on mere allegations. There are people who have been removed of this house and find themselves in detention. And we laughed over it. And now, we have members of parliament who are charged with offenses, and I know they are innocent until proven they are guilty. For him to take the floor of the house to besmirch the character of somebody who has not been charged in a court of law, I will not say shame, but I think the Nandi people have got a lot of problems.